This illustration deals with reconditioning equipment using circuit breakers and components as outlined in NEC 240.88A and B. A as in apple, B as in boy. The purpose of change was to provide a new section. And this new section has been added to clarify the requirements for circuit breakers and components that are reconditioned. Circuit breakers and components that are reconditioned shall be listed as reconditioned and the original listing marking removed. This new section is safety driven and is necessary to prevent the reconditioning of products that cannot be safely reconditioned and posted as such, so the maintenance people will know, or anyone reviewing that posted information, that this is reconditioned equipment. Now, first I would like to review the circuit breakers at the right of the top illustration there of circuit breakers. And notice this is low voltage, 1,000 volts or less. Molded case circuit breakers shall not be permitted to be reconditioned per 240.88 A as in apple 1. Secondly, components now. Low voltage power circuit breakers, electrical trip units shall not be reconditioned as outlined in 240.88 B1. Thirdly, electromechanical protective relays and current transformers shall not be permitted to be reconditioned as outlined in 240.88 B as in boy 2. Fourthly, the way I have it outlined in approaching it, circuit breakers. Now notice we're dealing with circuit breakers over 1,000 volts, and high voltage circuit breakers should be permitted to be reconditioned as outlined in 240.88 A as in apple 3. Still dealing with these circuit breakers, but low and medium voltage circuit breakers. Now that's Article 311, that used to be the existing Article 328, shall be permitted to be reconditioned per 240.88 A as in apple 2. Now, again, I'd like to point out that it's very important what the note states. Original listing shall be removed per 240.88, and that's required when you recondition equipment, and we looked at the definition of reconditioned equipment in Article 100 and some of the terms that could be used instead of reconditioned equipment. So kind of keep this in mind if you're reconditioning equipment, and make sure that you divide this equipment into 1,000 volts or less, and over 1,000 volts, and then medium voltage, so that you do not make a mistake.